Hello, and greetings from Rising Star Workshop. I hope you started a nice sunny weekend like ours here. And but for us, it's the busy period of the year. It's Christmas already. Now, I came to a point where I need to take your opinion. But to brief you on the progress, your father's lamp is ready, and it's just waiting to be shipped. And most people liked it, and I hope you will like it too. And so this is complete. The Gourd we don't worry about. It's a design that we've been making past 3 years. And regarding your sister's lamp, we were happy with Isis. But the problem was with Osiris, where the drill holes didn't clearly reflect the figure. So what I did today, I went to the print shop and I got a larger Osiris, and hopefully with longer. I actually got a little bit widened up, sideways. So we will have a better figure, hopefully. I also got printed another Isis. It's larger, so this figure is going to get better as well. I mean, I will use another Gourd, so it's just going to be better, like if I don't make any mistakes drilling it. And the eyes, I'm actually pretty happy. So I personally consider this done as well. I must first actually thank you for giving me the time. When there's pressure, you don't really get the lamp right in the first trial. You usually need to try it for the second time or the third time. And that takes time, and I don't really want to send you something, which will not please you. I understand. Each of these are gifts. So, but for me, this is done as well. Now, regarding your mouse, and I've been most of the time when I'm drilling, I always think, think about my life, my family, new designs or problems with work, with life. But I like the flag. I like the flag. The sun, the stars, also colors, in combination of red and navy blue is my favorite. But I couldn't use the flag as its original self, like sideways, having the stars and the sun, and the red and blue section. So I find this part of the flag. And I drilled it already, and I think it kind of worked very well. And let me remove this. Yeah, I think it came up really nicely. What I will be doing is I'll be putting more drills here, and it will shine. Now, the other side, the initial idea regarding the island, right? I've checked the drawing, vector drawing, I've checked the island. We can simply drill the island, and that would be fine. And we can put other elements on the sides. But then I come up with the idea, and I saw this vectoral drawing. I thought I could make the island from beads, but the beads we use are 6 millimeters, and when I get the drawing at 6 millimeters, I ended up with this large print, and when I put it on the Gourd, it's actually quite a big Gourd, right? And this is an idea, so I wanted to discuss this with you. The thing is, when we make the beads, for example, a symbol like this, when it reflects on the wall, it will reflect what it is. because the sides, the top and the bottom are the same. But when this reflects on the wall, if you use the lamp this way, the island actually will look like this, the other way around. So if you're gonna use the island figure, the island will have to face the front, and that's why I also prefer a symbol like this, or this standing, because if the island is gonna face the front, the flag will look proper at the back. Now, the thing here is, this is a bit large. Like I'm happy to put beads here. I think idea-wise, it's cool, but practically it doesn't. It's not the best because of the size of the beads. Now I can do that as an option if you want. Or I can make a smaller island and you can drill the island and put other elements. Or you can leave it with me, just without the island and the flag, and we use a navy and red theme all around, with bead work and drill work. So I'm not sure about it, and I thought I'd discuss with you. And if you watch the video, when you watch the video, please let me know what you think. And about your lamp, I'm going to leave it as a surprise if you don't mind. I know about the color combinations you want. And that's in progress as well. And when I send it to you, if you're not happy, I can always make you another one. Please let me know. All the best.